Lorna, Nana ko. Excited to see the room of Nana? Okay. Close your eyes again, okay? Yung room nila Nana. Room nila Nana. We swim there later. You want to walk there? May floating pala dito, oh, floating house. Banyan tree. Oh. Oh, pero mas maliit yung kahapon. Ah, ito yung dati natin natirahan din po, di ba? Oo. Dito rin tayo dati. Opo. Doon sa may swimming pool na malaki. We stay here before with Toto and there's a snake. There's a snake on the road. That's why Toto doesn't want to stay. Yeah, we stay here before with Ate Sam. Nice the view of Ate Sam, Nana Lorna, Nana Anika. Before we always swim with Ate Sam. There's a big pool, big swimming pool there. Excited, Nana is there. Yes?
Are you housekeeping?
Yes. Wow, sexy. Look at the view.
We need to clean stupid.
Look at the view. Good morning.
Hello to Ate. Hello.
Good morning. Chiki naman.
Hello.
Look at the view. Uy, ang cute ng swimming pool.
Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Look at that. See, look at the view. Take a picture. Go, go, go. Don't go up. Don't go up there lang like that. There. 1, 2. Oh, look at the view in Nana Lorna's villa.
Can we swim in our place?
Okay, one more. Okay na.
Are you gonna swim here?
Do like that. Hold it like this. Oh. Swim, Sam. Hold.
This hot.
Wag mong ihulog lang. Dito ka. Akin na, Nick. O, dito. Hold like that. Hold lang.
Why
Hold
is it
like that.
floating?
Focus lang.
Why is it
Huwag mo
floating?
ihulog lang. Akin na si Tide. Huwag doon. Yan. Or go around. Patingin nga ng sinilas dito sa Tide. Baka mas maliit yung sinilas dito. Sa amin, parang barko.
Maliit yung sa amin.
O, akin na. Yung baro tayo.
Pero hindi yan mabasa.
Ano hindi basa?
Hindi magandang mabasa yan.
Alin? Walang rubber? Kuha ka mo ng picture mamaya dito, Nick. One more, dali. Like that. Doon na lang, doon na lang. Go. Like. Okay, mamaya. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, remove the glasses naman. Wow. Ang ganda ng view. This is the view. May ahas dito. Okay, maliwanag yung picture video ni Toto. Okay, malis. Like that, like that, like that. Up mo ha. Up mo yung glasses.
Alexa, smile.
Kakali ko daw muna. Ayan. Hindi ba nagdito ka naman?
So pretty.
Up na. Tayong dalawa.
Did this.
Alex, come. Kayong dalawa ni Nana. Visitor ko.
How's your door work?
Open mo like that. Nilak ni Toto. Maingay, nandyan si Nana Loy na magagalit. Yun yung pool niya, yung pool nila Nana dito. Ang liit ng pool niyo ngayon si Tart, no? Akin na, be. Dito kaya. Nek, dito ka tayo. Para kuha yung mga bato na malalaki.
Put it down, put it down.
Ang ganda ng view. Dito din kami, ayan na si Toto, binuksan na. Dito din kami nag-stay dati. 2 villa kami dati. Ngayon, si Nana at saka si Nana, Anika ang nakatira dito. Sila Nana at saka si mommy niya. Kami doon kami sa condo nila. Diba ang ganda? Napaka-relaxing. Linis ng dagat. Pagising mo sa umaga, yan ang maririnig mo. Yung tunog ng dagat. Nagdala ka na ng damit si Tart. Nagdala ka ng damit. Yan. Dati nung nagstay kami dito, may ahas sa ibabaw ng bubong. Yan, picturean kitang ganyan. Okay. Picturean mo si Nana. Yeah, she's so pretty. Islang. The door. Islang muna. You so pretty. You so pretty. Okay na, Nick. Mahulog kaya ang cellphone dyan. Makukuha kaya? Kuha. May silong yan eh. Hala, tingnan mo may lizard na green, oh. Tingnan mo yung lizard na green, oh. Choy! Lalo mo sa Alexa, dali. Lalo mo sa Alexa. May lizard na green. Tawagin mo sa Alexa. Alexa, there's a lizard. Oh, dali. Lizard na green. Ayan, oh. Wait lang, ayun, oh, sa side. Kita mo? Akit ka isa. Akit ka. Hawakan mo yung glasses. Ayan. Pintok pala.
This is red, blue,
Ang laki ng lizard. Ano, oh.
like that.
Ano yan? Ano ba yan? Hindi yan lizard?
What is, Mom?
Yeah.
Mom, which is animal?
Okay,
Mama,
okay,
it is
okay.
colors. Mata butike, it is small, the head.
Yan. Tingnan mo yan. Bumaba na siya, oh.
Where?
Ayan, sa ilalim, oh.